Love 15.
Winner.
15 all.
That's 2 in the last couple of games for Pavlyuchenkova.
Out. 15-30.
Oh, can you believe it?
Well, the return wasn't struck well, wasn't it? It really didn't bounce all that conveniently for Pavlyuchenkova, and she just completely overplayed it.
Let first. 30 off.
It's a timely ace.
Certainly is 2 points away from losing the set.
6 for the match.
It's good courage. It's not a favoured serve, the slider out wide as a second serve. It's a spot, brings up game point.
Jeez.
You just sense here, Liz, that Pavlyuchenkova is desperately trying to get this to a tie break.
Oh, she's been down in this game, isn't she? The drop shot, the let court at love 15, and then the ace at 15-30, and then she had an opportunity there, and that second serve was pretty short.
Advantage Pavlyuchenkova.
Smart serve into the body. Just stopping Collins from really having a big aggressive swing on the return.
Let first.
Fitness trainer Yutaka Nakamura used to work with Maria Sharapova for a long time.
Starts getting very uncomfortable in that players box, doesn't it, round about now?
Big moment, not just for the players, but for the coaches and the staff that put a lot of time and effort into these players. A couple of shots here in this game.
Advantage Collins.
Are going to cost Pavlyuchenkova this set.
She went straight back to it, didn't she, Pavlyuchenkova? That one right there.
Yeah.
Collins just a couple of steps to the left, hung in the point.
Brings up a set point for Danielle Collins.
Juice.
Just taking her time here. She's been very tight with the shot clock. We see it's down to 8-7. She's really using all her designated time here, Pavlyuchenkova.
Good angle on the return from Collins.
Set point number 2.
She'd like that one back again. Just 135 k's the second serve. Wasn't interested in constructing the point, was she, Collins? Just wanted to go for the big hit. That might come back to haunt her, that shot.
Advantage Collins.
Set point number 3 for the American.
Second set, Collins.
Danielle Collins takes the second set.
7 games to 5.
7-5, and we are locked at 1 set all.
I need to change my outfit just so you know. Yeah. Okay.
This rule is a new rule at the Australian Open for the ladies. Previous to this year, you could have 2 bathroom breaks, but this year just the 1, and Danielle Collins just telling the umpire, I need to change my outfit. So being escorted there by the Grand Slam supervisor, Donna Kelso, into the closest bathroom. And what will the second set summary reveal? Just 1 point in it, all the way down the bottom. Look at that, 37 points 1 to 38 points 1.
Look, a very similar stat and set for me for the compared to the first. So just a few unforced errors creeping into Anastasia Pavluchenkova's game there, and She did well to get back into that set, but just tightened up a fraction, didn't she, in the end of that second set? A couple of easy putaways that she didn't dispatch of.
And a couple of easy forehands as well. Mind you, I mean, nothing is easy at this stage of a match, a tournament. Both these girls know that it's a wonderful opportunity. They're the only two unseeded players left in the Australian Open this year. So they both know it's a huge opportunity to progress. And we've talked about Pavlyuchenkova has been there every other Grand Slam. You know, she's been to the quarters of them all.
You've got to tip your hat here to Danielle Collins. She is competing so hard. I touched on that she would feel it's not necessarily a match that she would feel is her cleanest. But again, look at this reaction.
Yeah, Collins to get to this stage of the match in the first round. She beat Gerges, who was the 14th seed, against Sasha Vickery in the second round. 32 winners she hit in that match. Against Garcia, the 19th seed. That was straight sets, 3-2. And the big one against Angelique Kerber, the second seed. 11-2 in under an hour. She beat Kerber. And, you know, that's no easy feat. One of the great retrievers in women's tennis, Angie Kerber. And to just absolutely crush her without a moment's hesitation on Margaret Court Arena.